Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Thina Singo Zungu. So guys, in this episode it starts off with the Zungu family. They decide ukuthi they're going to go and see Umara Zungu, Umara Tina and the father as well. Remember Uoguhle last week? Is it Uoguhle? The daughter, she had a party, so they decided to bring some cake for the grandparents, which I think was such a cute gesture. Guys, Umara Tina, she is so sweet. She seems so sweet, and it looks like yena benozama umakoti wakhe bayazwana, they get along very well. So Zama, I guess she decides to open up kugogo and tell ugogo ukuthi phela uSimanga has been having bad dreams ephupha onodoli or ephupha odoli. So the granny then says ugogo then says ukuthi phela ingane Pupa or Dolly, it is not a good sign. Ugogo decides or Ugogo suggests ukuthi uThina-ke benozama need to go and take this child ukuthi bayobona umuntu. And obviously ngesintu, when we say ukuthi uyobona umuntu, we're not talking about a therapist, we're talking about umuntu njengenyanga or isangoma to help this child out, because ugogo says ukuthi if this child is dreaming dreams like that, that means ukuthi lengane ingagula at any time or anything can happen with lengane. Now the problem becomes ukuthi it looks like Thina benobaba wakhe and the father, they are people who believe they believe in ancestors. Uthina and the wife Uzama, they don't believe in ancestors. So now it's the awkward thing yokuthi Uzama uqale something where the mother is suggesting ukuthi kumele siyilungise ngendlela yesintu, and uThina is sitting there. He wants to be respectful, which he did, guys. He was respectful. He just ended up saying ukuthi, you know what, ma sizoyilungisa because abang ukuthi nozama akekho right. So we're going to go and see a therapist. So it's awkward, you guys, because especially uThina was saying this, and I think a lot of abazalwane can relate to what uThina is saying. And he was saying ukuthi now ingane meyigula kanje and he doesn't believe kwizinto zesintu, he feels like it's an opportunity for his mother to say uyabona-ke, this is happening to the child because when awuzenzi izinto zesintu. So yeah, I think that's how I was saying, I think a lot of people can relate to that, because the child now is in an awkward situation where he's having these dreams and he needs help, and the mother says ukuthi they need to go via the traditional way. Uthina does not believe in that, but I do like that Uthina remained respectful, because that is key. And I do like that the mother also respected Uthina, what he was saying, because at the end of the day Uthina benozama are the parents uSimanga. Now some people, guys, on social media were like, ugogo sekafuna ukuthi kukhenge imbuzi, stuff like that. They must go and do izinto zesintu, all because of Annabelle, guys. They are saying, well, people on social media are suggesting ukuthi this thing is not deep. Ugogo uyenza ukuthi be deep. Ingane just needs to stop ukuthi ibuke opopayi ebusuku, opopayi abasabisayo, and then the child needs to go to therapy. I don't know, you guys, if you're a type of person who believes in dreams, maybe you would take it seriously, but maybe it is something that they really need to look into. Maybe start off with therapy, and maybe therapy will reveal angazi, guys. But anyway, they said they're going to do therapy, you guys. Then next scene, you guys, uThina, he has an event in Newcastle, right? He has a new event in Newcastle, a private event. So we see him checking into his hotel. As he's checking into his hotel, he's waiting for food to be delivered to him. He called unokuzana umnganakhe uJumbo and says, "Aibo Jumbo ungakuphi?" So it looks like uJumbo also had an event he was performing at Newcastle kodwa ebusuku. So uThina had suggested uJumbo ukuthi asihlanganeke because I have some time, let's meet up as friends and whatnot. So uThina is calling uJumbo to check how far he is. Fine, uJumbo is still far. Uthina's like, I get ngizobona when you get here. How? The food comes, the food gets delivered. Few seconds later, after the food is delivered, uThina gets a phone call, guys. gets a phone call, and there on the screen they titled it, the editors titled the girl's name as Ululu. And then ugeli mega when Utina answers the phone, ugeli's like, how awusangitshela ukuthi usenyukhasel. Abo Utina, he says, guys, he doesn't know who the person is. Kodwa bekonqena ukuthi abuze igama. Some people find it rude to us for a name, but I am saying, guys, that you can't let a conversation go that far the way Utina let this conversation go, and you don't even know who you're talking to. Stop playing with us. So ugel is saying ukuthi awusangitshela ukuthi useNewcastle. Obviously ugel mega sisho kanjani ukusho ukuthi bayazana, because how did the girl get to know such personal information? Or the girl knows people who are close to Utina, because how did she get such information? Utina says, hi bo, ngizosebenza njena. Ugel goes on to say, even if uzosebenza, angithi ukuthi angisho ukuthi uzongibona manje, but after the gig, you can come and see me ke. And then Utina's like, how? But it's a private event. And then Ugel is like, how? Yeah, you can still come, even if it's a private event, you can still come after. Utina goes on to ask ukuthi, okay, uzengo bani ukuthi mina ngiseNewcastle. Ugel is like, hayibo, mawumthanda umuntu, you know their way out. Usho ukuthi wena ke awusangithandi. Ayibo. And the thing that irritated me, guys, is that that's how I'm saying you can't let a conversation like that go on for so long and then still say, Uti, you don't know the person. What Utina says to, or the way he answers the question that Ugel asks of Gushuta Sangtan, he just says with iskat, says hambile, like meaning wuti the times have passed, wuti iskat sam now, it says hambile. I was not happy with that answer, you guys, because why couldn't you just say, no, I don't love you anymore? You guys, Pella, you are married, man. You can't still be wanting to consider other women's feelings, whereas your wife is going to be watching this on national TV. No, you can't be safeguarding another woman's feelings at the expense of your wife. Like, what is that? Where does your priorities lie? Utina again goes on to explain in his diary session. Uguti, there's a girl that he cheated with, guys. A girl he cheated with, and the girl he cheated with is lokelo fonayo ke manje. He does say ukuthi him and his family uyena nomfazi wakhe, they have since moved on from that, and he says ukuthi ngiyambona ukuthi ugel uNunu usho ukuthi she still has feelings for me. Now guys, on social media people are saying this Lulu, because they did show isithombe sakhe, and I'm like, this girl looks familiar, man. Kimazelaphi. Now they did show ukuthi this relationship between Utina and Ululu, it was publicized by Daily Sun or something like that, but some news publishing team, they did take it out. Angazi nini, I didn't get to see it. But this Lulu, guys, bathi abantu ukuthi it's the same Lulu. Do you guys remember ukuthi there was a Lulu that was trending years back on Instagram? She is a teacher, or she was trending. She first trended for being a teacher that was wearing extra tight clothes that has this extremely big bum, and people are complaining ukuthi those clothes are inappropriate for school. And then but there was after that she trended for a lot of things. I'm like, that is the same Lulu. Someone else is even saying, what makes this thing worse is that uLulu ke manje sekashadile, sekanengane. This thing was shot in December, you guys. So when people are counting the timeline, but you know, the time she called Utina, she was married already. So cabanga ukuthi, how is the husband kaLulu feeling when his wife can be throwing herself at an ex nje kanjalo? Now I'm saying again, I am not happy with Utina's response, because I just feel like his response kind of like was making, or kind of gave the vibes ukuthi the door is still open, ukuthi if angapusha hard enough lo Lulu wakhona, she can still get uZungu back in her bed. And I am not happy with that, because I'm like, no, Tina, this was low-key disrespectful towards your wife. Worst thing, Utina then says, yeah, vele ngabe ngathandana nomuntu eNewcastle, ingakho ke umama, speaking about his wife, ingakho ke umama, mekezwa nje lelo gama elithi Newcastle nje, she shakes. And he's laughing like she's shaken by that. He's laughing about that. How are you laughing over the fact that your wife gets paranoid over the fact that when she hears Newcastle, when you know ukuthi you are jollering, like, yeah, like, does that tickle you? No, guys. And we can't normalize that thing because I feel like if this was just any other guy, we would have not made a big deal out of it. Utina, guys, he's a gospel singer. He is a pastor on top of that. So when you doing all of your things, you must consider your profession because your profession comes with certain things, you guys. Your profession comes with certain things. So it's like, yeah, like you're so guys, I was not impressed by that. Fine, Gam. The conversation eventually ends. Utina says, hey, I think phone Becky. I'll call you back later in. Later on, Ujumbo comes. Now he's preparing, uthina is preparing to go to his event. Utshela Ujumbo ke manje ukuthi hayibo, guess who I got a phone call from Unulu. Ujumbo's like, Unulu nowhere Pep. I like to say the one that, Uthina's like, yeah, that's one Pella. I don't even know how that story even got to my Pepe. But anyway, Ugeli, I don't have her numbers. Mina, I caught on through the voice or with the voice Lululona. But anyway, Ugeli called me. Manje giyahlekwa. I'm like, what's funny about this? And then Uzungu says, inkinga ukuthi, I don't break things off with these girls. And then Ujumbo ahleke athi, oh, kusho ukuthi wena, like, you just leave things hanging. I'm like, kanti mangakanani lamantombazana when you speak it? Firstly, how many years is Unokuzana Uzungu married for him to actually even say such a statement? Because for me, it's giving the vibes of what you have these situations with these women. And then because angithi bathu umfana womZulu, you don't break up with the woman, then you guys niyaqhelelana, you guys just stop calling one another, and I guess that's I'm over. That is not I'm over, guys, because kusho ukuthi umuntu can come back anytime ebefuna. So I was just like, so Tina, is this the normal lifestyle that you do and you love? And I'm not going to even generalize and say all musicians are doing that because I don't think everyone's doing that just because majority is doing that. But I was highly disappointed, guys. I was not okay with how he handled the matter. He says ukuthi kusho ukuthi abantu bazobona ukuthi he's also human. I get that, you guys, but I'm just saying certain things. Nah, man, like I was not happy with that. Next scene we see Uzama. Uzama is out and about nabangani bakhe speaking about yena she knows ukuthi uZungu impela ayiphilayo. He's hardly home, he is busy, but she's saying sometimes I miss my man. Manje umngani wakhe is telling her Uzama ukuthi hayi sisi bela uqinise because inkonzo yasekamereni wena uzimiselanga. I'm just like, girl, you know what? And the awkwardness about it, guys, is that I like, you know what I appreciate? I appreciate the fact that Uzama's not putting herself or not putting pressure on herself. Uti, like she must be up her game just because her man cheated. I don't think that's a good enough reason. But all I'm saying is that I I don't know whether I want to say this because at the same time I want to say Uguti, if you're not having sexual intercourse with your husband and he has cheated before, I think it kind of opens doors in your mind to then think he's probably having sexual intercourse with other people. That is just me. And yeah, maybe Uzama katabangi loku, maybe Uzama's not there. Her man doesn't give her any reason to believe that. And that's why, like, she's okay with the department, Zasekamereni, like not being okay. She's okay with it. But listen, guys, all I'm going to say, as long as you're a married person, I don't think you should be okay with that department of your life not being okay. Besides indaba yokucheat and all of that, that thing was created for married people, so you guys must enjoy it. So if you guys are not having it and enjoying it, hey, melungiswe, you guys. But anyway, guys, that is the recap of the latest episode of Tina or Tina Singozungu, you guys. Now, I did try and check the wife's status on Instagram. She posted the trailer and she just put side eyes. Like, she didn't comment anything. She just put side eyes, you guys. But I really do hope that they are okay, because the thing that I keep saying this, the thing about reality TV, sometimes, guys, it's going to open up a can of worms. So I really hope Tina and the wife are fine where they're at, because I saw there were some people saying Uti, how Uzama, she forgave cheating and whatnot. Whether they forgive it or not, that is a promise they made before God, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.